Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the security key for any Wi-Fi network we have connected to on our laptop or PC. Okay, here I have opened my laptop and here I have connected my laptop to a Wi-Fi network. And first of all, we can click on the Wi-Fi icon right here and tap on this button, and you can tap on this icon on the Wi-Fi network that you have connected to. Tap on this icon and wait for a moment because it's still loading. Okay, and we can scroll down, and if you want to find the Wi-Fi security key, you can click on this option and tap on view. Okay, and this is the security key of my of the network that I have connected to on my laptop. Alright guys, and that's how we can find the security key for any Wi-Fi network that we have connected to on our PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.